tresses, but that blood, it never burned in her veins. I hear she's got a house up in Fairview, and a style she's trying to maintain. Whether she wants to see me, you can tell her that I'm easily fine. Tell her there's a spot underneath Eben's Bridge, and tell her there's a darkness on the edge of town. There's a darkness on the edge of town. Everybody's got a secret, sonny, something that they just can't face. Some folks, they spend their whole lives just trying to keep it. They carry it with them every step that they take. Till someday they just cut it loose, and let it drag them down. When no one asks any questions, when the $100,000 bills. My aunt came by to my cable TV, settled in for the night, my baby and me. We switched it around till half past dawn, but there was 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. No! Doesn't know what it is. American history says none of this will happen. Is the president out of his mind? What do you have in the way of champagne? Well, now home entertainment was my baby's wish, so I hopped in town for a satellite dish. Tied it to the top of my Japanese car, came home and pointed out into the stars. A message came back from the great beyond. It's 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. So 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. Now,
And of course, what do we start with every morning? Gossip, gossip, gossip.
People didn't think he was morally upright enough to be president.
Coming up on Big and Buck is Green Acres.
made some friends with some billionaires. We might have got all nice and friendly if we made it upstairs. All I got was a note saying bye John. I just 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on.
Pictures you are about to see may not be appropriate for many viewers. They are unavoidably extremely graphic.
Let them know what time it is.
Right.
Let them know.
Is the president out of his mind?
Let them know what time it is. Let them know.
Probably not. Steamer on the off the